Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Big news for all BMW Motorrad fans. The G310RR is back and it's getting some exciting updates. Let's dive in. BMW recently dropped a teaser on their social media channels hinting at a refreshed BMW G310RR, which is expected to launch very soon in India. Also, BMW Motorrad India recently dropped a bombshell on Instagram. The post reveals that only 310 riders will get their hands on this special edition G310RR. Each bike will come with a numbered plaque. 1 of 310, 2 of 310 and so on, making it truly exclusive. BMW says this machine is born from champions and is built for those who don't follow but finish first. The new G310RR is likely to receive all the updates that the TVS Apache RR 310 has received, which includes power boost. The updated G310RR is expected to put out about 38 bhp, which is up from 33.5 bhp on the outgoing model. Bigger airbox. Beefier breathing should help performance, especially at higher revs. Bi-directional quickshifter, meaning you will get seamless upshifts and downshifts without using the clutch. Cruise control, a big plus for highway or long distance riding. Launch control, this might also be added, given that the Apache RR 310 also received it as an additional feature. BMW is likely to price it more aggressively this time around, especially after the latest GST revisions in India. That could make the G310RR even more appealing for riders looking for premium features without the super premium tag. Of course, there are a few details that are still to be determined. The exact launch date hasn't been revealed yet. Whether all the rumored features will make it to the Indian spec, sometimes local regulations, cost constraints leads to changes. What the final price will be, especially after factoring in taxes, import or local manufacturing, etc. To put this into perspective, the TVS Apache RR 310 recently got similar upgrades, and the Apache RTR 310 too. The G310RR's updates, if they land as expected, might help it stay competitive or even pull ahead in its segment. So, are you excited about the new G310RR? Would you be upgrading from the current model, or is there another bike you've got your eyes on? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you like this update, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on more automotive updates like this. Until next time, ride safe, ride hard.